Hello everyone, my name is Atul Sharma and I am from class 10th D of Gaurav Devras School. Today I am gonna tell the summary of the Black Aeroplane written by Frederick Forsyth. The sky was clear and the narrator was about to meet his family for breakfast. At 1:30 p.m. he decided to flew his Dakota and he was instructed by Paris Control to turn 12 degrees west. He was about 150 km away from Paris when black cloud storm approached him. He decided to enter it. Due to the willingness of meeting his family, he took the risky decision and then get lost in the storm. All his instruments stopped working and suddenly a black aeroplane appeared by the narrator's side and he decided to follow it. After 30 minutes of flying, he landed on the runway safely. He got out of his aeroplane to thank the pilot of the black aeroplane, but he did not find any black aeroplane on the airport. He asked the woman at the central tower about the black aeroplane. She laughed and said there was no such plane. It was a mystery for the narrator that saved his life. Thank you.
Who is the author of this story?
Frederick Forsyth.
And what was the name of the pirate's plane?
Dakota.
Hello everyone, my name is Krish Bist and I am a student of class 10th. My school name is Gaurav Devras Saraswati Vidya Mandir and today I am going to speak on the topic of Footprints Without Feet written by H.G. Wells. So this is a Footprints Without Feet is a story about a scientist named Griffin who was working on making the human body invisible. Griffin carried out the experiment on himself and made his body invisible, made his body transparent like glass. Griffin was a brilliant scientist, but he was rather a lawless person. After becoming invisible, the first thing he did was burnt the landlord's house because his landlord disliked him and tried to eject him. To become completely invisible, Griffin had to remove all of his clothes. So he removed all of his clothes and became completely invisible. But he soon realized that he chose the wrong time of the year to walk completely naked in the streets of air because it was midwinter. He realized that he needs clothes to keep himself warm. Then he thought of robbing stores. At first he was unsuccessful in robbing the store, but in the second attempt he went inside the store invisible and came out with bandages around his forehead, dark sunglasses and a fake nose and a big hat. He realized that living in a crowded city like London could be difficult, so he thought of moving to the Epping village. He booked two rooms at the local inn. When he arrived, it was an unusual event for the villagers to see a stranger at the inn at the time of winter. Mrs. Halls, who tried to talk with Griffin and be friendly with him, but Griffin had no desire to talk to her because he told her that he came here for his work. One day the landlord and his wife saw the scientist's door fully open. They thought that it could be opportunity to inquire some information about the scientist. When they entered the room, suddenly Griffin got furious and threw all the furniture all across the room. At first they thought that it was some kind of spirit that possessed their furniture, but then they linked this incident to Griffin because he was having a strange appearance. Then they informed the local constable, Mr. Jeffers, and told him to arrest Griffin for damaging their furniture. When Mr. Jeffers reached the house, Griffin became more furious because Griffin was always very quick-tempered, and he became furious and decided to reveal himself. He removed all of his bandages and become invisible and disappear in thin air. This story describes the tendency of human nature to misuse the creative inventions for common good for their own comfort and profit.
What is the name of the author?
H.G. Wells.
And what is the name of the scientist?
Griffin.